Okay, we're still on the wrong camcorder. I'm going to have to buy more tripods, aren't I? What happens is I leave the tripod in another building and then... Right, anyway, we've got this York 861. This was no display if you looked at the servicing for it. So, lots of dismantling. It was a 2.5 hour job. But we're back with the display and it's all fine and down in the set works a treat. Full 4 watt output and receive exceeding manufacturer specification. I don't think I've heard anything on it, but we're going to talk to Mr. Chippie, and for once we're in the daylight, so that's fitted in round Mr. Chippie's shifts. So, Tango 21 test.
Stand by.
Roger. And whilst we stand by, we'll plug in the extension speaker. So unusually for a set with not a lot of controls, it's got a tone control, which will surprise Mr. Chippie when he knows what it is. We're running with the standard replacement mic, and then we'll go to the factory original at the end to our base station.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie.
Roger, I'm now ready. I've got my extension speaker plugged in.
Oh, roger that, off we go.
Roger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. We've got a tone control on this one.
Roger that. So we're heading up we're heading up the lane towards the end of it, passing the passing place, not a passing place.
You can't talk today.
And doggy daycare.
Roger on that. Your teeth need putting back in.
Oh no, there's a gain control, mic gain on that.
No negative. Was it rubbish or something?
No, it's a bit muffled, but there you go.
No, it is spot on as it should be.
Yeah, Roger. But I'll probably understand when you tell me which set it is.
Oh, we've got Russians on. Can we knock it up to 32?
Yeah, Roger that. Oh, we've got Russians on. Can we knock it up to 32?
Yeah, Roger that.
Finger 21.
Yep, go ahead.
5132.
Roger.
Are you well beyond the end of the lane?
Yes, heading towards the petrol station.
Roger.
Right, we're now passing the petrol station, and I forgot to look at the petrol.
No, because you never can when you're doing it in the evening.
Yeah, I know. I wonder if it's gone up yet.
Oh yeah, the slightest thing, they put it up, don't they, you know. Then they spend 6 months not putting it down.
That's right. Right, we're now square wheeled at Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that.
Right, we're now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going to Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, hopefully I'll be able to see these potholes in the daylight and avoid them.
Yes, if they're not full of water, it doesn't look like it's raining today.
No, there's not usually water up here anyway.
I hope you flowed uphill.
Let's see, well, there's a wacky one I've just missed.
Good, the viewers will be able to see the potholes, but they reckon they've got them worse in Essex.
I don't know. I don't think they've been on the road into Sleaford.
Negative.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Anyone from Mr. Chippie? We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on
a York JCB861, which uses the lower tier Cybernet 134 chassis from 1981, and I'm on standard replacement mic, over.
Yep, Roger, all received, no problems.
Roger, Roger.
Going over, Wilsford level crossing, over.
Roger, got you going to the current level crossing. Thinking about the radio conditions and Russia's taxis or whatever being on channel 31. Ken, G4VSJ, was telling the other gentleman who talked to Stuart that they were talking to somebody in Japan on 10 meters. The curve conditions are up, which doesn't help us, over.
Yeah, Roger that. Passing the Kelby turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this York JCB861 Cybernet 134 1981, doing a full lap watt, full lap output, and it's throwing 1.1 amps. Going to go to low power, it's been set for 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're on low power, the radio now showing 530 milliamps and doing 400 milliwatts. Go back to full power, and there we are back on full power, over.
Roger that, no problems on full power, bit noisy on low power because of the conditions, but you were legible.
Roger, and that's off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Alright, we're on the move again.
Roger, diddly Roger.
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
We've only got you going over Rossby level crossing.
Yeah, 134 point. Is that right? 136 point. I don't know. I'm losing the plot. I think 136.9 and 144.7. I think that's right.
I think it's gone up. What do you reckon?
No, that's the same as it's been.
Okay, that works. Street. Thank you very much. 10-10.
Yeah, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over.
Yeah, 134 point. Is that right? 136 point. I don't know. I'm losing the plot. I think 136.9 and 144.7. I think that's right.
I think it's gone up. What do you reckon?
No, that's 7-15.
Okay, that worked a treat. Thank you very much. 10-10. Yeah, right, we'll go over to our base station, which has the same innards, but the upper tier version as the chassis, and we'll go and try it with this microphone as well.
Tango 21, testing the York JCB861 using our standard replacement mic. Testing 1, 2, 3 on full power, pocket on low power as a hum test just in case. If there was a hum, it would diminish on low power. Back to full power, there we are back on full power. And now we are with the standard original factory mic, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gone to low power, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to full power. There we are on full power. I think the next CB video is Maxcom 30E repair. So thank you for watching your Gate 61 from 1981.